After 63 days, I said it during our practical class. What you need to do is to watch your 63 days. For instance, you come down to lending. When you come to lending, click on lending. Now in front of your lending, we have this place, so you can click on it, few more. Now it show you how much you have there. Then from the few more, click here, click where you see your 1% here, and it will show you all the details of your account, the date it was created. It will show you the date it was created. Now, because this account is a very new one, it's just running for the first time. Now, I've told you that in Fintoch, account run every 7 days. So it started running on the 3rd of May, and then as of today, we have 6 of 7 periods. 6 period means 6 days. 6 days. And the redemption time is on the 10th, which is today. On the 10th, which is today. And the time is 15:27. That was the time it started running. So it simply means if I switch off this, if I switch it off like this recast button, for those of you that have been asking, if I switch off this recast button, then by this time, by 27 minutes after 3 today, 27 minutes 48 seconds after 3 today, the fund will drop in my account. It will drop. Now, for those of you that have been running for long, you need to watch this side. You need to watch this side. How many times has it run? So you need 9 times. You need 9 times. Once your investments is already on 9 times, you watch the number of periods that you have, and once you switch it off, the exact date on redemption, it will drop that day. It will drop that day. And when it drops, what do? You come to profit, and under profit, you go straight to lending aggregation pool. Now, if you have used BS BEP20, your money will drop here. You will see like this one by 3:27 this afternoon is going to drop 1,500 here because I've switched it off. Do you get it? So it will continue like that till and from there, once it drop, I can do 2 things. It's either I redeem it by withdrawing it and withdrawing my total capital out, or I reinvest it. If I want it to run again, I reinvest it. So that's the way it is done. So thank you very much, and then have a wonderful day.